Jewelry cleaning is a routine maintenance task that directly impacts the longevity and brilliance of precious pieces. A good cleaner can reduce tarnish, restore color, and maintain gemstone integrity without harsh abrasives. In this comparison, I tested 5 widely available options that span budget to premium. Product number 1, Connoisseur's Premium Edition Jewelry Cleaner. The Connoisseur's Premium Edition line offers a targeted approach to jewelry cleaning with options tailored to different material families. The value-size presentation emphasizes the brand's emphasis on preserving an array of pieces, from fine jewelry to silver items, with a clear focus on gentle yet effective tarnish removal. The marketing language highlights the broad applicability and breathing new life into your jewelry, which aligns with consumer expectations for a safe, non-abrasive clean. The lack of explicit ingredient transparency in the provided details suggests buyers should verify the specific cleaner chosen, fine, silver, or delicate, to ensure compatibility with their pieces. Product number 2, Ultrasonic Jewelry Cleaner. Aliexpress's 48 kHz ultrasonic cleaner is a compact, stainless steel option designed for versatile cleaning tasks. It includes dual cleaning modes and a 12-ounce capacity, making it suitable for small to medium items, such as rings, eyeglasses, and watch bands. The 304 stainless steel tank is corrosion resistant, which is important for sustained use with mild detergents or water alone. The unit emphasizes simplicity and portability with non-slip feet and a ready-made package that includes a watch stand and user manual. Performance-wise, ultrasonic cleaning at 48 kHz provides effective cavitation to dislodge grime from tight crevices, which is especially beneficial for intricate jewelry and eyewear frames. The 2-mode operation allows a short 5-minute cycle or a longer 7-minute cycle for stubborn grime. Product number 3, Ultrasonic Jewelry Cleaner. K-Moxie's ultrasonic cleaner presents a larger 650 milliliter capacity and a 49 kHz frequency, aiming at more thorough cleaning across a broad range of items, including coins, keys, and intricate jewelry. The digital timer and 3 cleaning cycles, 3, 6, 12 minutes, provide flexibility for different grime levels. The 304 stainless steel tank reinforces durability, and the device claims robustness through industrial-grade transducers, which contributes to stronger cavitation compared to smaller models. Performance-wise, the higher 49 kHz frequency helps reach deeper crevices, which benefits multi-piece sets or heavily soiled pieces. The 3 timer options allow users to tailor cleaning intensity, reducing the risk of overdosing cleaning cycles on delicate pieces. Product number 4, Comfy Ultrasonic Jewelry Cleaner. Comfy's model sits in the mid-range with a 350 milliliter, 12-ounce capacity and 46 kHz frequency. It emphasizes one-touch operation and a compact form factor with claimed sub-45 decibel noise, making it appealing for travelers or small workspaces. The 12-minute cycle and 3-minute quick option allow flexible cleaning with simple control, and the low-noise operation is a notable comfort factor for home usage. Performance-wise, the 46 kHz frequency offers reliable cleaning for everyday items, including rings and glasses, while the 350 milliliter capacity handles several pieces in a single session. The device's build quality and after-sales commitment, 1-year warranty, add confidence for buyers. Product number 5, Connoisseur's All-Purpose Jewelry Cleaning Kit, includes delicate jewelry cleaner solution. This budget bundle from Connoisseur's pairs an 8-ounce delicate jewelry cleaner with 2 polishing cloths. The kit is designed as an all-in-one maintenance solution, prioritizing gentle cleaning suitable for pearls, fine gemstones, and delicate pieces. The inclusion of polishing cloths adds a tangible value, making it a practical starter kit for casual homeowners who want an easy, pre-assembled routine without buying separate components. Performance-wise, the delicate cleaner is formulated to minimize abrasion while restoring luster on sensitive materials. The polishing cloths help remove fingerprints and light residues without harsh residues.